Look at us. We're watch alone content now. We're reacting content. There's a hole for my tail in my chair. Do you like my phone? Oh god, recording sleeping noises. I'm sorry, I'm gonna pause this a lot. Recording sleeping noises. Two things that I learned about voice stuff when you have people listening to you is panting is awkward, and so is sleeping noises. At the end, I felt like saying, "Hey, we're cool, right?" Like this was like weird. Like obviously, it's their job to listen to people make weird noises. But it just felt really weird. I was like, how many audio clips now are there of me going?